Ever since childhood, we have been taught that the pursuit of happiness is the chase of a lifetime. I'm Terry Bradshaw, and I've learned that true success is not so much about what you achieve, but how you achieve it. Join me as we span the globe, meeting the people working hard to attain their own net worth. Critical structures such as hydroelectric dams, city water and sewer lines, or other underwater assets need to be regularly inspected and repaired. This is usually done by divers or human inspectors. But what if your project is in a location where divers cannot safely or effectively operate? What if you need to penetrate through miles of narrow pipelines, operate in swift currents, or in zero visibility conditions? Then you send machines, remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, or autonomous underwater vehicles, AUVs.
We operate 3 types of ROVs and AUVs: swimming, floating, and crawling, which address fully flooded, partially flooded, and dry situations respectively. After assessing the project environment, we then choose the best ROV, tool, and sensor package that best address the project's needs.
Today, ROVs are incredibly sophisticated operatives, customized with a wide array of tools for surveillance, data collection, and repair. They can be equipped with multiple types of 2D and 3D sonar units, video cameras, ground-penetrating radar, thickness sensors, gas detectors, and lasers to determine exact conditions and dimensions. They can be located and tracked by GPS, inertial navigation, cable encoders, and acoustic tracking systems. ROVs can be equipped with a variety of electrical and hydraulic tools such as cutters, manipulators, and drills, along with many other custom devices to aid in structural repair, hazard removal, and cleaning.
We use remotely operated vehicles for these projects to reduce the cost to the customer by limiting the shutdown time of the plant and to increase safety. We leave the water in the plant as structural support and reduce the people in harm's way.
In preparation for construction projects or underwater installation of structures or equipment, Hibbard Inshore's fleet of ROVs and AUVs can safely survey the submerged site to help determine local conditions and assess hazards.
During inspections, we see conditions from good structures to complete failures, including cave-ins. If our customers have an inspection program and a preventative maintenance program in place, they can oftentimes avoid these failures.
ROVs can perform inspections on long tunnels, water intakes, pipelines, ocean outfalls, waterline support structures, dam faces, manifolds, and cables. Failure of these kinds of structures can be not only costly, but catastrophic to those depending on uninterrupted service. The vehicles can track sediment buildup, internal or external blockages, cracking or other failure of structural integrity, deformation, or significant movement of underwater assets.
Our systems can inspect the depths of 2,000 meters and go linear about 20 kilometers. Our systems are also compact enough where we can transport them by air freight anywhere in the world.
In addition to the ROVs that can swim over 20 kilometers, Hibbard Inshore also has tracked vehicles that can crawl for up to 4 kilometers through pipelines and can navigate over debris to help safely investigate scenarios such as a tunnel collapse.
Our projects are usually scheduled to coincide with the client's planned maintenance or a shutdown. We perform these inspections at times that reduce the negative impact to the client's bottom line. This often requires working at night or on weekends when demand for water or electricity is at the lowest.
Tirelessly going where no person can, remote-operated vehicles are an indispensable tool for critical projects.